Hello, my name is Robert James, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the reading mode feature in Helperbird. To begin, we're using the BBC article as an example, and we want to turn this page into a nice, clear, distraction and clutter-free experience, making it easier to read and process. So to begin, you want to go to the Helperbird extension, which is located on the top right of your browser. The Helperbird app will appear, and you want to go to the Quick Actions area. You'll see some of your favorite features accessible from here, and we want to hover over the book icon with the black button, also known as the reading mode button. We want to click here. It will instantly transform the page into a nice cleaned format. As you can see, we've removed the navigation, the ads, the clutter and the distractions to give you a nice readable content. With the great features of Helperbird, you can also adjust and customize this even further. And you can access our wonderful tools, such as if I was to highlight a sentence and click play, it will read it out to our text-to-speech settings.
Elon Musk announcing the first private passenger it plans to fly around the moon.
Which is great, and if you adjust the settings for your text-to-speech in Helperbird, it will play the settings you preferred here. You can translate it, you can share it on social media, and of course you can close it. And if a user would like to adjust the styles and themes of the reading button, you can do the following. You can open up Helperbird again, go to search, type in reading, and choose reading mode. From here, you'll see the reading mode button in the quick actions, but also you will see themes. So I'm going to adjust some of the colors. I'm going to make the text red. I'm going to leave the links alone, and I'm going to change the background color to purple. Now that I've picked my colors, I will go back up and choose view in reading mode. And now the themes I have selected have been applied to the reading mode view. You can also adjust the text alignments, the fonts, Dyslexia rulers, overlays. Any feature in Helperbird can be applied here. You can mix and match to make the reading style work for you. If you need any other help, you can also contact us on helperbird.com and click on the live chat option, and a member of staff would be happy to help you with any questions you might have. You can also visit helperbird.com/help.